made your own Pokemon card. I'm gonna start with the cover. You don't need to worry about this part. Don't worry, it's still gonna be okay. Grab a pencil, then draw a circle.
Awesome!
Then draw a line. And also, I almost forgot to show. Make sure you know how the book. If you have Pokemon cards, watch this part. If you have some, for real. So if you don't know how you do this, stop watching this and go and watch 40 other Pokemon cards before you watch this episode, so you learn how to do it. Then get a color box. Get the shiny color. I'll use this Tanvo color. You don't have to get the Tanvo. Let's just choose this. And then grab your pencil back where it is. Color in, except for that color you made.
Wow!
Subscribe.
If you don't have Pokemon cards or you don't know what it looks like, stop watching this and get a piece of paper and watch how they draw Pokemon balls, so you know how to do it. Don't worry if it's facing this way. It's facing this way for yours. It's opposite. I'll change it so you know. Now we got the basics of Pokemon writing. Now you know how to draw Pokemon. Sorry. Copy the word Pokemon. And copy it to the other side so it doesn't look like you have one side. Or flip it over so it looks like it's real. Now, look what you made!
Wow!
See? You made it.
Awesome!
This is the fun part. You love this side. This is not real draw. Pokemon draw. So, remember, if you know how to make the back. If you don't know how to make a back, stop watching this and go watch the other one so you know how to make the basics before you start in this video on my other channels. Let's get started. So first, write this. Just write a rectangle. If you're gonna make an energy, just type energy and just color in the background. Well, we're not making those or trainers. We're making some pets. Then write HP, but very tiny so it looks like real. Now type in the HP you want it for max. Then it should be a higher damage. 570. Type in your level. Mine will be level 3. Just write LV or level.
That's nice.
If you do a mistake, erase it.
Wow!
Mine's a level 7. Mine's a level. Boom! Ding, ding. Okay. Right about the power. It's gonna be like this power. So let's add a pictures. Let's name our Pokemon. Name it Bite. Am I writing BTE? You don't have to write the word like you want. You can. I'm gonna name mine Bite. Bite. That's his name, Biter. So, grab stickers or draw them. Leah will wait. So, this is glider and this is the other part. But it won't size right. If it won't size right, erase this part and write it again. But make it a lot bigger so it doesn't. Now, I'll peel it off. Okay, now let's write. Light. Yes. Here's the bikes. Here's the card, you know. It's Bike is 50. Now you're done. You made your own Pokemon.